It's English time! Hello, lions! This week we're going to talk about nature. Now, do you know what is this? It's it's a tree. A tree. Can you say it with me? Tree. Tree. And there are different kinds of trees. We have this one, also this, and also this. We also have some big trees, also small trees. Look. What do you call a place when there are a lot of trees? Do you know what it is? It is a forest. A forest. Say it with me. Forest. 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 What do you see in the picture? Do you see those green things? Those are trees. And that is a forest. Do you want to go inside the forest? You want to see what's in there? Then come on, let's explore the forest. Wow! Look at all these trees. They're so big and tall. And I see a lot of green. Do you like the color green? Me too. I like the color green. But we have to remember that not only trees are in the forest, there are also some animals. So maybe we can see some of the animals inside the forest. No, don't be scared. Are you ready? Come on, let's find some animals. Shh! Look, we found one. And it's a... Do you know what it is? It's a bear. A bear. Can you say it with me? A bear. What is the color of the bear? Very good, it's brown. How many bears do you see? Only one. Okay, come on, let's walk. Oh wait, guys, stop. Don't move. Do you see some animals there? Me too. Do you know what are those? Right, those are snakes. And look, there's a big one and a small one. And how many snakes do you see? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 snakes. Shh. Come on. Let's just continue walking. Wait, guys. Look. Don't move. Don't move. Do you see what I see? Those are what? Those are deers. Deers. Say it with me. Deers. Deers. And how many do you see? Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 deers. Now, let's just walk slowly and quietly. Look at those tall trees. And what do you see there? I see some parrots. A parrot. Say parrot. And they're so colorful. Again, let's count the parrots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parrots. They're so beautiful. I like them. Oh, guys, stop. Look. Do you see something? Me too. And do you know what are those? Those are what? Those are monkeys. They're hanging on the tree. Do you like them? Oh, they're funny. So let's count the monkeys, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys. Do you have some bananas there? Nothing? Me too, I don't have some bananas. But come on, let's just go. Let's just go home for today, and we're going to come back tomorrow. Yes, we're going to come back tomorrow to see more animals in the forest. So see you again tomorrow, lions. Bye.